bougie people, BoujeeBecky back again for another video. What we're doing today is rice and peas and pepper, rice and peas and liver steak. That's bougie mommy word and bougie mommy recipe. So she'll be the one preparing stuff today. I will not be the one preparing anything because I don't deal with leather. I don't. She bougie, but I'm the bougie that don't deal with leather.
Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe,
like
and tell a friend to subscribe to BoujeeBecky.
Yeah. See you in the next clip.
Hi, good day, so what that make them how does it? You can get it all by itself. Hot water, reach coconut before the pot just spin it.
Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to subscribe to BoujeeBecky.
That's the peas and the coconut milk. Peas cook. You see it mash already. Who are nice soft peas. Good. That now I'm going to get it seasoned. Scallion, garlic and pepper and ginger.
And time for the rice and peas. This is how we're seasoning the rice and peas. The peas is already pressured and cooked to perfection with the coconut milk, right? So you have to season your rice and peas.
So the peas here cook. Have to make sure the peas cook. This is what you do.
Just squeeze it.
See?
Then squeeze it.
Yes.
Peas. Cooked peas.
Take a tablespoon aside. Look like you do it.
And to taste it to see if it has adequate amount of salt. Alright.
Half teaspoon. Half teaspoon of black pepper. Like a rosemary. One teaspoon of ginger.
Alright, so I added my 2 cups of rice and now I'm going to. So I changed the pot over to a lower flamed wick burner on the stove. So I'm going to allow it to go cook down and then we see the finished product, right? Alright, so what we had so far in this bowl is we sliced up the liver and we add some jerk seasoning, some black pepper, some garlic powder, and then we're adding right now some ginger powder, right? So we're going to mix it. And then we're going to add, you gonna add brown into this?
I get some salt.
Okay.
Like a teaspoon of salt. cut up the liver or you cut up steak for.
Alright, so we're going to do some flour breading kind of thing, like how you normally just fry chicken, but that's not what we're doing. What we add to this flour is some jerk seasoning, then some black pepper, then we're going to see we add some all-purpose seasoning, Maggi all-purpose, and then a toots of salt.
And black pepper, and that's it. That's what we need. And when you look at this thing, I think this thing already started. I put the more salt in it because you know there's a flavor of this soup. This is flour we have from a little while. Ready flour we use and whatever. So all we need to do is just tap it. So we do a tap out there already. Extra black pepper can't hurt. So you can light the stove now for them.
Red label wine while she cooking. Junkard! You are Junkard over there, Junkard. In our wine glass, as you can see right over there. Red label wine. Yeah, you have to leave the kitchen for me. Yeah, I have to leave the kitchen for me. I'm gonna cut it just like. So we have our oil being heated on the stove. So that's what you do next after you prepare your breading for your liver steak. Now we're moving on to the next process. So I had like a cups of browning to the liver for a little color, because you know, don't want it to be too light. But even though it's red meat, we want it to get a little dark
Steak color.
Steak color, right? So as you can see, she cut them like steaks. So I'm gonna put them into the flour, and then we're going to be putting them into the heated oil.
Okay. You always like to eat this, but you never want to learn to do it because you eat blood.
Thank you.
This was always your brother and my favorite, your father too. You just imagine eating steak.
That's a little story time there. Into our little video. And the oil is heated.
You want to hear the history of it? So I'm going to open this.
No.
Okay. It wasn't about that story.
Watch out.
Your father asked the liver and never too like liver. So remember me, my mother used to cook it like this. Just like it. But then I used to cook it never. So I like it for them to cook it here. And say, alright. Cooking food with piece of the sun. Only need to have. Don't put it in a plate, don't do it the right one. So we decide to do it. You can put on this. Father like it and we start to eat it. You know even give out from whatever they want to it. So just tell them I'm going to give it a
Alright, so allow them to go in the pot and fry, and then when it's brown on one side, you flip it. Alright, so that's going on right there. When they're brown, I'll come back to you guys. Alright, so when it's turned, this is how it looks. Yeah, people. When it cooks, you will see. So now you know why it is called liver steak. Because it looks like it. Yum.
Okay, carrot a bit. Yeah, that's take up the carrot with. Sweet pepper, cucumber and garlic. Yeah, tomato and whole onion and Escallion.
You want the one cut of sweet?
Yeah. Escallion. Everything not in
I'll just fry. So allow this to saute. Add a cork of red label wine.
Yeah, brought it up. Back up already.
One tablespoon of sugar. Alright, so rice and peas there. Looking like a lovely, lovely, lovely. Yes. With the pepper being burst and getting all of that fragrance, all of that aroma, all of that pepper taste, all of that everything. Once you love pepper, you know what I'm talking about. Add little broth to, yeah, there's either chicken broth, beef broth, or whatever kind of broth. So I have half pack of the all-purpose seasoning and then 2 tablespoons of ketchup. So now we're just making the gravy for the steak. Alright, so Boujee mommy in the kitchen. Once you know you're in the kitchen, you have to have a glass of wine. So whatever wine is that, it's that. So liver steak, this is how it's supposed to look. And then now we're going to have our gravy on board. Yes, our gravy on board. And then you just add it to the gravy. And just mixing up, because the liver is already cooked. And then there we have our liver steak, looking all lusty and tasteful. I'm keep out one before it put in here, so you must say, yeah, with the pom-poms, the pom-par. Mix them up, and we're good to go. My glass of pineapple juice, and dinner is served. So showing you some more rice. See the steakness of my liver steak and my vegetables on the side. Half truth. The liver look like steak, don't it? Look like steak.